Hey guys, welcome to WordPress Tips and Tricks. In today's video, we will explore how you can easily add multiple authors to your blog posts in WordPress. For reference, we have taken a freshly made WordPress site, and we are using the 2023 theme with Gutenberg Builder. If we view our blog post, we can find the author info at the bottom of the content. Note that this is due to the theme design. If we are to edit our blog post, we can only select a single author per post. WordPress doesn't allow multiple authors with the default settings. In order to add more than one authors to a post, we need to use a third-party plugin. So, let's go to the Plugins tab and click on Add New. Then search for Co-Authors plugin and install the first plugin you see from the list. There are a couple of plugins available here, and they also do the job differently. Once activated, the plugin will create Authors tab inside the dashboard. Let's click on the Settings section there. We won't need to change anything here, just save changes. Now, going back to our post, this is the front end. Let's go and edit post. Now, on the right side, you can see the Authors option went down below, and it lets you maintain multiple authors from there. Let's update the page and view the post. Here, you can see both authors getting listed below the content. It was easy, right? But there's still the author info showing only one author at the bottom meta info. If you go back to the author's dashboard and change the author box layout, you will be able to change the style of the author info. There are a couple of predefined styles provided by the plugin itself. In case you want advanced level customizations or fully custom style, you will need to purchase the Pro plugin. Now, we will inject the author info inside the meta info part of the page. So inside the author box's dashboard first, uncheck the Show Below the Content option. Save changes. Now go to the shortcode section and let's copy the first shortcode from there. Now go to the theme editor under the Appearance dashboard, then click on Patterns. Inside, click on the General tab and then click on the Post Meta Template part. Once inside, click on the pen icon to start customizing it. Let's select the default Post Author widget and delete it. Then place a shortcode widget there and paste the author's shortcode there. Save changes and reload the post page to see the changes. As you can see, the post meta info has changed and shows multiple authors now. At this, you can use different shortcodes to change the info style as you want. Again, if you want maximum flexibility, going for a Pro is a better idea. But with the free version, we are pretty much stuck with the obvious. Additionally, you can use these shortcodes to show author info inside your posts, in case you are using Elementor Page Builder instead of Gutenberg. Because there is no dedicated support for page builders, shortcodes are the way. Just open the Theme Builder menu and edit the single post template. Drag a shortcode widget there and pass the shortcode from Co-Authors plugin. Then you will be able to see multiple authors in your posts. And that's how you can very easily show multiple authors in WordPress. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel to get more tips and tricks videos. See you soon.